Hi, my name is John Franklin, and on May 6th, I had a stroke while out riding my bicycle. Well, I was fortunate enough to be spotted by a policeman who saw I was in distress, and he called emergency services for me, and off to the hospital I went. While I was at St. Mary's Hospital in Apple Valley, California, my neurologist, who was examining me and analyzing my situation, told me I would need acute rehabilitation care. And he said, unfortunately for you, there's no place in the high desert for that. But he recommended Ballard, and that meant an extra week in the hospital until a bed opened up for me at Ballard. And here you can see it's a beautiful sunny day, and this is my third week at Ballard, and I am doing great, and I love it here. The people are so good, and the food is good. Now, watch me stand up. I couldn't do that before, but with the training I've received here at Ballard, I can do so many things that I never thought I would be able to do again. And I owe it all to the staff and therapists at Ballard. Thank you.